Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1661st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Good evening, traders. This 1661st edition of these educational videos is coming at you on a Tuesday night for trading on Wednesday, August 23rd, 2016. Traders, before we get into the analysis, you must know that futures trading is extremely risky, causes substantial financial losses, certainly not suitable for all traders. You should know these risks before you trade. Always place stops, always place them first. There is rumors of slippage on stops. I wouldn't worry about that. I would place my stops anyway. Let's move forward. Traders, I didn't put a video out last night because in honor of Uncle Jack, Mr. Diamond Jack, who just passed away, I wanted to leave his video out for at least 24 hours. His funeral is tomorrow. I feel bad doing this video right now, which will cover up Jack's video, but he's had his 24 hours. Markets are moving. Love the man to death, but there was something I didn't get to present to you last night, which I did show to my chat room and all the traders at livewithoscar.com, but I didn't show you in a video, and I can't avoid it for another day. So let's get moving. This is your Nasdaq Daily Bar. This is my OTAPMA, the Omni Trading Academy's proprietary moving average. I told my OMNIacs in my trading room and at my site last night, the jig is up, the market moves higher, it bounces off this Omni, and this is what ensued on Tuesday. Great call right off the Omni, right? We expect more of this for trading on Wednesday, more of the same. This could be a bull flag that's finally going to break out. This could be the flagpole right here. A lot going on that looks exciting. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Maybe it's a stretch of the imagination, but it fits. You know what I mean? If it fits, it fits. Maybe that's what we're going to break out of. We'll see. But the point is it held OTAPMA and took off. Now, a bunch of lunatics were out in full force. Some of them even had the audacity to call me and tell me that the top is in because of all things, the eclipse from yesterday. The solar eclipse was going to top the markets. How misinformed are these traders? You guys that are actually looking at lunar eclipses, solar eclipses, and looking at planetary alignments to figure out where the market's going to go? Come on down to livewithoscar.com. Let me teach you how this actually works. It's science, kids. It's not freaking out. It's not calling ridiculous things like the next eclipse is going to take the market lower and give me a spaceship to go to Mars with, or whatever you guys think. Come down to livewithoscar.com. Let me show you how this works. That is the Nasdaq. There are other charts that prove out this theory. Let's go and look at another. And that would be here. Look at your ES. I gave my OMNIX in my chat room the very same chart. Yesterday, this day did not exist. And I said, that's it. We're going to move higher. We've got Old Faithful, or OTAPMA, the Omni Trading Academy's proprietary moving average. Holding here, the market goes higher, and look what it did. So let's take away OTAPMA for a moment. Maybe it doesn't exist. Look at this. It bounced off the bottom of this fantastic channel. You see it, the blue channel? So OTAPMA and the blue channel happened to come together. The market ran into that and took off. So Old Faithful does it again. Thank you very much, OTAPMA, for helping the markets move higher on Tuesday. So that's the U.S. Indices. So I showed you the Nasdaq. I showed you the S&P. We have an absolute green arrow for trading on Wednesday. So we will be looking for the upside in emini S&P and Nasdaq. And I've promised you to bring out stocks. Remember, more stocks, more stocks. So a few days ago, I showed you something called EA, Electronic Arts. And now I am telling you it's time to start trading EA. Let's go take a look at that right now, in fact. EA should be sitting right here waiting for us. Boom, there it is. Electronic Arts, EA Daily. This is extremely bullish. I showed this to you a few days ago. I said, let it see if it's going to act as a double top. Let it pull back a little. When the time's right, we'll buy. Omni says the time's right. I say the time's right. The bull flag says the time's right. it is time to start buying EA, Traders Electronic Arts. Come on down to livewithoscar.com. Come to my free live trading room. I'll show you how we're going to handle this trade. This will be slightly longer term. It won't be a day trade unless, of course, the stop gets hit. We're looking for this to move higher. I've got targets all the way up here, and I'll share those with you at livewithoscar.com in my free live trading room. All right, traders, again, this tribute to Uncle Jack. I wanted to stay out longer, but I couldn't really avoid showing you OTAPMA. Markets are moving. I know time is money for you cats. So as a favor to you, I thought I'd present you with this video. Meet me in my free live trading room at livewithoscar.com. And remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help keep those emotions at bay is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.